hard to say because there's advantages and disadvantages to both. I guess, one certain disadvantage of a smaller team is that you're not, obviously not going to be able to have as many people, doing different things. A lot of times the programmer or the builder will have to be the same person. So that's definitely one disadvantage to a small team. I guess it is, good in some regards though, to have a smaller team, just because if it is the same person, building and programming, you kind of have a set goal, and there doesn't have to be a lot of coordination. I guess advantages to or disadvantages to a big team. Well, it's harder to coordinate between team members. And yeah, I'd probably just say that.
Yeah, one thing, even on a small team, but it grows exponentially as you get bigger, is just communication. And my tennis coach used to say, like, it's like herding cats. It's not really fun. trying to schedule meetings, trying to make sure everybody's always on the same page. And then when you have too many people and it's not structured well, then sometimes it gets hard to like agree on a goal. So, but if you get your organizations right and your structures right, the diversity of opinion lets you make better goals, and it increases the quality of your ideas.
That might be one of the best reasons we have Discord, because Discord allows us to communicate at different times, especially during COVID. Like in a normal year, we would probably be having team meetings every Thursday or something, or whatever. But on Discord we can have like programming meetings over Zoom or Discord or whatever, and yeah,
the virtual infrastructure that just really got bootstrapped and built during COVID will be really, really valuable forever.
Definitely.
So it's gonna be a big deal.
So basically, we structure it into sub teams. Like we talk about game strategy, we talk about hardware, software, and community service, everything.
I think it is important to even just have kind of a page for reflections. Even if it's just once every year, after a tournament, because it is good to have those pages to kind of evaluate what you've done, and what changes you're going to make and things like that.
Yeah, and it's probably a good habit to have, because it lets you just reflect on that, and kind of when you're writing your portfolio and your or if looks like the portfolio is going to stay, but when you're writing it, you can kind of like see, okay, I did this. This is what I was struggling with. Because if you have a memory like mine, it doesn't last very long. So one thing I did over the, I guess, beginning of the season was I made a Discord bot, which is basically like a chat bot you can talk to, that you can make notebook entries just to kind of document what you did. You don't have to do it like every day, but basically whenever you want to, you could type in a command to Discord and put images in there. And it was just it's a tool that could be used just as for documentation.
Yeah, along the lines of what Peter said, I think it's definitely helpful to just document like what was I struggling with? How did I solve this problem? Because I think when we were tuning the drive velocity PID, we forgot we didn't put in enough documentation on like how we did it, and so we kind of forgot a little bit about it.
That's a tough one. I probably go back to my default answer, like I gave earlier. Probably just not to overreach and to be happy with the results you get. A lot of times, you get a certain goal and it doesn't quite deliver, and then you're disappointed. But it's the good thing about robotics is it's a learning experience. So you can always take your failures and learn from them. So that's what I would say.
Yeah, for me, it would be like I tend to jump right into coding, like, and instead I should spend more time reading the documentation, like actually understanding like what I'm trying to do, and making that a habit. I think that would save me a lot of time, just in general.
Yeah, pretty similar to what Hudson said, not setting goals too high. Like with the regionals robot last year when we had to decide not to use it, I was very disappointed because I thought we were gonna do terrible in regionals with the robot we had, but when we went to regionals, we did okay because it was a good robot.